Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to remove email address on Facebook. If you want to remove an email address from your Facebook account, first of all open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. After that, tap on setting. Under setting and privacy, you can see here account center. Tap on it. In account center, you can see here personal details. Tap on it and tap on contact info. Find the email address you want to remove and tap on it. Select your Facebook account and tap on delete from Facebook. You may be asked to enter your Facebook password. For security reasons, enter your password and tap remove. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.